what I started doing with Grim, with that harness, but he outgrew it.
But you can see in his front shoulder and his upper arms here, his upper legs, you can see the muscle that he built.
Yeah.
Being out there, being able to run like he was. He got in trouble the other morning. He likes to slip away. Go out. My cousins live around the corner. They had a dog.
Trying to get that day.
The other morning I'm out there for about 20 minutes hollering at him.
Yeah.
And he's
Sounds like
going.
it.
So I hop in the truck, I go cruising around the neighborhood looking for him. And I get right over there by my cousin's house. And I look and I see him. He's got I stopped the truck, I said, Steve, what the hell are you doing?
He's trying to get him some.
Dog was gone. He sits down, looks at me, looks at his dick, looks back at me like, motherfucker.
I'm just trying to get some day. Come on now.
Yeah.
I'm like, damn.
Yeah, he's just trying to get him some, that's all.
This morning. Same shit happened this morning. He came strutting up out of their yard. I'm like, oh fucking man,
Yeah, he's just trying to get him some, Dad, that's all. Let him get his nuts. I promise you, he'll calm down.
Nah,
And then get him fixed.
I don't really want to get them fixed because then they'll be fat. A lot of dogs, when you neuter them, they get fat. I don't want that.
None of my dogs never got fat. In fact, they turned into bigger whores than when they had their nuts.
This was yesterday morning when I was at work. He was sitting there howling because I left him working. His ass sat there just howling away and whining for 3 hours. He sat there and whined. About 5 o'clock rolled around. I told him, "Go man, I let his ass out because I knew he hadn't been out all day. Let him out. I'll be home shortly. I'll look for him when I get home." I already knew.
I already know where he's going to be.
So I didn't even go to the house. I drove up and down H Road, hollering his name, and then I went back to the house and was on my porch. You ever visit?